Login loop error on Moneybox Fix. If your Moneybox app keeps sending you back to the login screen, you're not alone. Most people think their account was locked or their credentials are wrong, but here's the truth: it's actually a local session issue caused by cached data or outdated app tokens. Moneybox, like many fintech apps, relies on secure authentication tokens to link your account. When one expires or fails to refresh, the app tries to log you in again, but instead, it loops endlessly. The fix is simple and only takes a few minutes. Start by force closing the Moneybox app. Then, go to your phone's settings, find the app, and clear its cache and stored data. This clears any corrupted login sessions that could be causing the loop. Next, reopen Moneybox and try logging in again. Make sure you enter your email and password manually instead of using autofill. When you receive a verification code or link, complete it immediately. Delays longer than 60 seconds can cause the login token to expire mid-session. If you're still stuck, disable any fiend or content filter temporarily. Moneybox uses app-based authentication and will often make the login appear suspicious. Also, check for app updates in the App Store or Google Play. Many login bugs are fixed silently in newer versions. Outdated versions are a common cause of repeated login loops. Finally, if you're using biometrics like Face ID or fingerprint login, try disabling and re-enabling it after signing in manually once. This refreshes your secure credentials. Once you've cleared the cache, updated the app, and avoided external blockers, you should be able to access your account again without looping. So, the next time your Moneybox login keeps spinning in circles, don't stress. It's not your fault, it's just the app session getting confused. A quick refresh and manual login usually solve it for good.